In ActionScript, text fields are visual text containers, which are used upon the stage, and text format objects contain the stylistic rules to apply to text fields. In this lesson, we'll examine how to effectively apply a text format instance to a text field, which will be rendered upon our stage. So the first thing we're going to do is import a variety of classes. First, we'll import flash.display.sprite so that we can extend it for this class. And we'll import flash.text.textField as well as flash.text.textFormat. Within our class, we'll declare two new private variables, one being called myText, which is a text field, and the other being called myFormat, which is a text format object. Within our constructor function, we're going to invoke buildTextField. After that text field is created, we're going to write some text within there, invoking this custom function that we've created called writeText. So first, let's look at the buildTextField function. The first thing we're going to want to do is set up our text format object so that we can format the eventual text field appropriately. So we set myFormat equal to a new text format. We set myFormat.font equal to a font of our choosing, in this case Arial. We set myFormat.size equal to 22. And myFormat.color equal, in this case, to white. And there are a number of other formats that you can use here. So we have alignment, block indent, bold, bullet, color, and so forth. A lot of different things to choose from. But for this example, these will be just fine. The next thing that we do is create a new text field. So myText equals new text field. And on the text field, we can set the background color, in this case equal to black, the alpha, the width and height, and in this case we set the width equal to our stage width, and the height equal to our stage height. Doing it this way, it's going to cover the entire stage, no matter if we even change the size of our application stage. We're going to set word wrap, multiline, and background equal to true. What these do is word wrap allows words to wrap, multiline allows us to have a variety of different lines rendered in our text field, and background equals true is going to allow this background color to actually show up as a background of our text field. So then to apply our text format object, we say myText.defaultTextFormat equals myFormat. So now any text that we place within myText is going to show up styled with myFormat. To add this to the stage, we say this.addChild and then pass in our text field object, myText. So now that our text field is done, we now need to write some text to that text field. And we're doing this with a little method here called writeText, in which we pass in this string. So the writeText method is very simple. It's down here. It's a little private function called writeText, which accepts a string. And all we're doing is setting myText.text equal to whatever string is actually passed through here. So we set that equal to t. So .text assigns all of the text of that text field to a certain string. And when we run this, it should render this text within the text field and apply our proper formatting to it. So let's run it. All right. So we can see here that it's created the text field, which is actually the size of our entire stage. And it's applied the styles that we wanted. So it's white text, it's Arial, and it's also passed in that particular string and rendered that within our text field. So this has been an example on how to use both the text field and text format objects within ActionScript.